Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into coins app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So here's a breakdown. The coin app makes buying, selling and tracking Bitcoin, a handful of other cryptocurrency really simple, especially if you are new to crypto. It got an easy to use interface, quick account setup, price alert and straightforward payment option. You can get in and out without headache. For casual investors or beginners who want a no-free way to hold and manage crypto, it's pretty solid for you. But the app asset selection is limited compared to bigger exchange, and the fee can be a little bit higher than more advanced platform. Some users also report the occasional delay with deposit or customer support. So my opinion, I actually think the app is worth using if you are starting out and you want an easy beginner-friendly crypto wallet and trading experience. But more active or advanced trader might prefer an exchange with deeper market and lower fee. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.